Hey everybody, quick update here for you. I know I haven't been uploading a lot, but I think I might be back. The summer and, well, I guess the spring has been incredibly busy. My son came back from college and work has been absolutely insane. And I just frankly haven't had the time to get to videos. My chopper build has really been where my focus has been. Unfortunately, and maybe fortunately, I sort of decided that this project is just going to be a me project. The nature of having to record just tons of footage, like as I'm going, it honestly was dragging me down, and I've gotten to the point where the Sportster is torn down, chopped, put back together. Like it's actually rideable. There's some things here and there that need to be changed, and maybe I'll take some videos of those things. But honestly, like it's been a really good project. I don't think that the nature of just build videos is all that interesting. So I'll generally give you guys an update, over the next couple videos, and I do intend on making a video that's sort of like like top 10 things that I wish I knew before taking on this project, or sort of outlining some of the issues that I ran into and wish I would have planned for earlier and things like that. So I guess keep an eye out for that. I also have some ride videos that I've been sitting on. One with the Sportster prior to chopping it. I've got a video that is post chop. So we're honestly back. I've just gotta sort of hunker down here, and honestly, like putting the videos out and the time commitment for editing, and giving you guys the quality that I think you deserve in a YouTube channel. It's just it's a lot right now. Just have a ton of things going on, so sort of bear with me. Content will start flowing out here soon, so I'm looking forward to the remainder of the spring and into the summer. A lot more riding. I've got a few trips planned, so just keep an eye out. I appreciate everyone sticking around. So thanks, and we'll see you next time.